Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to make you these amazing videos. We're going to be back to these amazing videos that we're going to look on coins. We're going to show you coins that are about to pump, that's pumping, that you want to put on your radar. This is the best channel to subscribe now at the moment. These videos are going to change your life and going to flip your portfolio to the moon, man. Make sure to smash the like, cook the like, because what you're going to see right now is the biggest selection of alpha in crypto, man, in this video. So make sure to click the bell, subscribe, and like the video. First of all, we're going to show you multiple coins that are looking sexy that you want to put on your radar. We're going to show you coins that looking sexy. Okay, you gotta put them on your radar. Okay, now first you want to get the Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin, again, Bitcoin is the daddy. Okay, Bitcoin is the daddy. Again, broke out of the bull flag breakout, falling wedge breakout. We're looking for a move to around about to new highs to around 150. The amount doesn't matter. The amount that Bitcoin will reach doesn't matter. If it reach 120, 110, 150, it doesn't matter. What matter is the window of opportunity. That's how you trade crypto. You watch for these windows of opportunity for Bitcoin surges, and then you find the bangers of the bangers and you print dineros. All right, now let's talk money. Okay, let's talk money. First one in the list. Okay, now that we have the Bitcoin ready, remember, you have window of opportunity. Again, as long as Bitcoin is above the 90K, everything is amazing. If it pulls back below, might be a bit choppy. Now we're looking for altcoin moves, altcoin strength. Okay, Kaspa, first one on the list, the best name. Okay, we bought Kaspa here after the squeeze. Nice, sexy move. You can see not a lot of pullback, no down days. Really, only one down day here for the last 5 days from the breakout of the flag here. Up already almost 40%. Amazing gain. Okay, put Kaspa on your radar. If you don't have the bag, if let's say it pull back, buy the dip. If it goes sideways, buy the breakout. Okay, buy the breakout of the sideways red. If it's doing a big retest, watch it, let it form a higher low on the daily, then scoop some. Put it on your radar. Maybe it's gonna build something like that. Who knows? Anyway, Kaspa looking very sexy. Very sexy. By the way, they have the event coming, the crescendo at May 5th. Okay, this could create a hype. It could create a parabola. It could create excitement, and people can FOMO in. You can see a very big move. Again, speculation, man. We don't have a crystal ball. Okay, it might not do that. We're just saying, put Kaspa on your radar. Market leader, my friend. Market leader. Smash the like, leave a comment. By the way, I'm going to show you many more names. Just want to show you the cast trade from the community. Where is the cast trade? This one. Okay, cast trade. Shared it in the community on the 19th of April. You can see we bought it at 795 and on 785. All my members have huge bag of Kaspa and they are happy campers, man. You can see that's the entry here. 79. All right, show you the 79 here. Told you, man, easy peasy, free money. Join the community now. You have 20% off. This is the last bull run, man, we believe. Join the community now. You're going to print so much money. You're going to call the police. Okay, join the community below. We are printing. I'm going to show you more trade we take. Let's move on. Man, Turbo is the next one. Okay, Turbo, again, I think it's going to keep pumping. I think it's going to rip again. I think it's a melt up now. We are in a melt up. All right. Everything, bears are thrown on the window, okay? If Bitcoin keeps going up, all TA is thrown on the windows, the leaders will keep melting up, okay? This is Turbo. Again, at the moment, it's a bit extended. I don't buy it. At the moment, I'm not buying it, okay? I'm not buying it. I missed the entry here on the breakout. Missed that. That's perfectly fine. I'm waiting for a consolidation. I'm not a moon boy from the toilet that will ape in after this thing went up. Already it's up from the lows. Almost 4x. Okay, so people taking profits. You might see digestion of price, maybe some sideways, maybe a pullback. Again, maybe it's gonna rip higher, but it looks a bit exhausted and it's coming to the 200 days. So again, I'm not bashing Turbo. I like Turbo. I'm gonna wait for it to give me an entry, whether here for a breakout, whether maybe today, but if it's gonna break out today, it's gonna be. I might pass on it because I told you we have the 200 day. I'm watching it. It's on my radar. Again, as a trader, be a trader for God's sake. Stop being a loser from the toilet that is just aping based on the YouTubers. Man, find the coins you like. Find the leaders. Put them on your watch list. Be professional. I have on the watch list 500 coins, man. You know, we are traders. We're watching them. And once they give us the opportunity that where we have low risk and high asymmetric reward, we take the trade. You get me? At the moment, Turbo is on the radar, is on the watch list. It's not a buy candidate at the moment for me. At the moment, others, I will show you, okay? We want to minimize risk, okay? Again, I'm watching it. At some point, I believe it's going to give us an entry, whether it's going to be a flag, you know, like this, or a flag like this, or maybe later, maybe it's going to run higher and then a flag like this. I don't mind buying higher. All I care is about buying right in the right time. Right. Turbo, watch Turbo, okay? Show you another one. Go, sir, smash the like, smash the like, smash the like, smash the like. We're going to give you this update more often if you cook the like. Pepe, watch it, okay? It's now breaking out. This is you can take the trade from now. Again, this is not a financial advice. If you want to get all our trade alerts, join the community. We actually bought it here. Okay, we bought it here on that kind of breakout here. You can see we had this squeeze. Boom, we're up on the trade a little bit. Not, you know, life-changing, but still around 20% from the entry. Now, it's broke out of the double bottom. Look at that. This is a beautiful double bottom. This, man, what you see right now on crypto, like you have textbook TAs breakout, insane, man. You gotta join the community. Stop wasting time watching dog shit tech rubbish on the baby boys from YouTube, you know, with the pimples like from Kansas, 20-year-old man. If you're over 40, if you're over 30, man, take yourself in the hand and stop listening to this dog shit, man. Join the community, man. You're gonna see what we see. You're gonna see the gold, man. You're gonna see the gold, the juice, the money, man. The money. This is the money. All the rest is dog shit. Look at it, double bottom, man. Breakout here. You can enter the trade. You can enter a Pepe trade. It looks really nice. And meme coin getting hot. And this is low risk. You're still buying very close to the bottom. If you're like a bottom fisher mentality. So, man, put Pepe on the radar. Another coin, Sui. Watch Sui. Oh my God. Watch Sui. It's going bazook. Now, I'm not buying Sui, just like Turbo. I'm not buying Sui. No, not now, man. I'm watching it. I missed it. I missed the breakout here. That was a breakout. Who knows, man? Some of them just broke out very hard and we nailed it, like Kaspa and like others. Some of them we missed. We cannot trade them all. But what the difference between me, my friend, my community, my service, my trade service, is we're going to nail Sui later, while the others are going to miss out. Why? Because they didn't buy the bottom. That's the morons. That's the morons mentality. We waiting, again, same idea. Pull back, bull flag, I'm buying. Bull flag sideways, I'm buying. Continue higher. Cup and handle, whatever, squeezy, I'm buying. All right? Get me? Sui, red hot on the radar. Amazing move. Wow. And what's beautiful about Sui, it broke above its 200-day, man. Unbelievable stuff. But it's not a buy for me at the moment, not for my community. I'm minimizing risk for my community. I'm responsible for my community. I'm not going to tell them to buy shit that can pull back 50%. No, I'm going to tell them to buy shit that can run hard from our entry, and there is low risk of getting stopped out. And obviously, we always trade with stops, man. Always. All right? Another name you want to put on it again, sir. Stop everything. Stop everything. Click the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell. By the way, get yourself a Bitunix account. This is the Bitunix account. We're printing money there. Man, you get $200 bonus when you join, man. If you deposit 1K, you can trade from the US, Canada, no VPN, no KYC. This is insane. Get yourself an account now. Start trading the best cryptos on futures, no leverage. You have a video tutorial on how to use the Bitunix exchange on the description below. Man, get yourself an account, for God's sake. It will change your life. Before, you use the link below with the sign up to get all the benefits here, man, and all the benefits with very low fees. All right, let's continue. We have Sui. We took Sui. Now, look at this one, baby. Look at this one. Everybody forgot about it, but we never forget. Why? We are traders, my friend. Virtual. Man. Oh boy. I'll show you this chart. Maybe have more data. Yeah. See, virtual had insane rally. This is a log scale. Had an insane rally in September all the way to January, man. This was the best performer for the last quarter of 2025. Four. And now 2025, you had a huge crash. How much is done? 90%. Everybody capitulate. Everybody got wrecked. All the moon boys that bought the top, all these people, they got wrecked, capitulate. Now the whales are buying. You can see the squeezy, Japanesey. Where is virtuals? We bought the breakout. I'll show you where we bought it. Bought it yesterday, man. Where's the virtual trade? Show you this one. Look at virtuals, man. Boom. That was 1 day ago. You can see buy the break above 85. Okay, we actually was a bit late for virtual. 85. That was the entry here. Man, it's already ripping hard, but it's still, I believe it can explode because it crashed so bad, man. We're up on it so far 30%, man, in 1 day. Not bad, man. Not bad. Man, if you want to print money, join the community now. We teach you how to buy breakouts. We teach you how to trade. One video, you watch it, man, join the community now. By the way, if you want to join, you can join lifetime membership, pay with crypto, and get the service for life. For all the trade alerts for cryptocurrencies, whether we're going to go short later in the bear, long in the bull, in the next bull, all the time, all your life. It's dirt cheap. You can use the discount below, the 20% to buy your lifetime membership. Don't be a moron. Take the opportunity. Get yourself set for life. This is virtuals. We're smoking it. Put it on your radar when it's pulled back. And I don't want, Ray, by the way, Ray, put it on the radar again. We had a trade. Okay, we already took a trade. This was a beautiful double bottom here. Ray, you can see the double bottom here after a collapse. Boom, it pumped very, very hard. We bought it here, man. You can see? Now put it on the radar again. If you pull back, that's a 40% gain. Where is the Ray trade? You can see Ray trade. That was for April, 15th of April. You can see the double bottom on Ray. Bought now, just bought now. You get an email notification, the community. You get boom, you get alerted, boom, and that's it. Look at it. Bought at 216. Where is it? 216. We're up on it, around 40%. 40% in like week or two. Something like a little bit more than a week. Okay, so man, join the community link below. And obviously watch the meme coins. You have many meme coins setting up. Bitcoin is giving us the signal, man. This is the time to make money. Stop holding garbage. If your garbage coins are not pumping now in the last couple of days, if you're not up on your coins, minimum 30, 40%, 50%, you're doing the wrong thing. You're losing money. You're losing opportunity. And you're going to cry later when the Bitcoin will finish. Okay, because at the moment, you have an opportunity to make money with the Bitcoin and with crypto. Once it will top out, it's over, man. It's going to be over and they're going to collapse like they always do to new lows, okay? If your coins are not making you money now, you are making a big mistake. You are missing out on the last rally and you're going to cry later and you're holding losers. This is the reason why you're not making money. Stop holding losers. Join the community. Link below. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.